Horror on the golf course. Just released 911 calls detail what happened after an elderly woman fell into a pond and was killed by 2 alligators.
She was screaming. I tried to get to her, and she went under.
A 70-year-old golfer at the Boca Royale golf course said he jumped in to save her.
I just couldn't find her. I thought I was going to die. Oh, God, my chest hurts.
Okay, so you are calling for medical for the lady, right? For the female? Do you need an ambulance?
She's gone. She's gone. She's under the water.
Another golfer came to his aid.
Are you doing all right? Do you need any help at all? A woman fell in the water. She drowned. I tried to get her.
Where's she at?
She's under the water. She's
under the water right here?
She's gone.
Oh, damn. You stay here. I'm going to go see.
He came back with the grim news.
I see the woman. She's just floating in the water. She's dead.
Oh, my God. There's a gator 20 yards from her. That's awful.
Wildlife expert Ron McGill.
They act on instinct. So when something drops in the water, they interpret that as something like a bird falling out of a nest, a rodent maybe falling in, or something getting a drink. And that's their instinct, is to grab that. So when that woman went in there, she was just adding to an instinct, and they grabbed her.
The victim has been identified as 80-year-old Rose Wigand. She lives right on the golf course and was reportedly gardening when she slipped down a slope, fell into the pond, and was attacked by the gators. According to the police report, one gator grabbed her by her right arm and the other alligator had her by her left hand, pulling her under.
She knew everybody's name. She was just a kind soul. She was just a really nice person. It's very sad.
He says alligators are very common around the golf course.
Is it a scary thing, or are you just used to keeping your distance?
Quite honestly, I was more just keeping my distance, and now I'm feeling a little fearful.